Hey guys, what's up? In a step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can apply an inner shadow effect to your text in Photopea really quickly. So let's get right into it. In the first step, select the text layer here in your layer list to the right with your left mouse. And what you want to do after that is right-click on the layer and select blending options from the drop-down menu. And after that, make sure that you select and enable the inner shadow effect here on the left-hand side by checking the box next to it. Also left-click on the inner shadow effect. To customize the effect, for instance, guys, you can select the inner shadow color by clicking on that color box here. And you can also play around with the setup below, for instance, customize or change the opacity, the angle of the effect, and also the distance, the spread, and the size. You can play around with this as much as you like, guys, to define your best setup. For example, an inner shadow effect that looks like that here. So that's all to it, guys. To confirm your setup, click on OK here, and that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.